Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
A great problem for America. PDP use the high talk. If you talk down and you lie, Solomon. If you want me to begin open mouth to that side now, you yourself go sit down. You go just sit down. You just put hand for head, or you go open mouth, fly, go enter inside, come out, do Django Luva, go come out. You know if you close down. So leave those things because of say then they call a Shaibu name. My brother, you know if you know what it be talk, you not go talk this way you talk so. If you know what our drivers, the people who rent stores, electric weather, mechanic, our mother, our brothers, our students, if you see what they pass through for the hands of those people who they talk so, you yourself go understand why those states can't get those bad names where you see. If we talk about to Shomole, if you want me to start to analyze, I not be JJC. I don't first tell Luna. If you maybe with this name when you call yourself, so you're supposed to person know me. At those states, they're not born me for a village center. That they born me center of those states. I grow from different places. You go reach that everywhere for that those state before even other Africa country. So my people, my brother or my sister, you know, say get name will not the beard, the thing they did somehow. So all this whole thing. Now waiting concern us, now they talk so. Now waiting, all this are my experience, now waiting I see, waiting I don't know. So this man that God has used through Shomole to come and bring smile, to put smile in the face of our parents, our teachers. You hear as the chief is there, they talk today, which teacher. I laugh. It's just that say sometimes if you want progress, pray make obstacle not come. If you look the mission where the government be there, as it renovate that stadium, as it refurbish the teachers. If to say no be this corona way just can't jump enter, you foresee waiting the development way for come in those states. You yourself you for tire. You for understand the Western world where all of us, some of us they here. Where the youth, where their power they, we suppose you're not supposed to ask yourself all this question. Where their power they, if you know all these things, you're supposed to understand what that man put down, how it's supposed to be a blessing. During Oshomole time, Fulani herdsmen, they were not killing our mothers in the farm. They were not chasing all of them in the farm. This one where then they go carry people from Abuja, from North. Boys, check their rally. So young boys. Those Fulani herdsmen. Where then they go carry come. So if you they go Abuja or you they hear about Abuja now, you can't just take a taxi or keke nape in Abuja. You peradventure you can't go hold phone or hold your bag they pose. You are in trouble. That if na here you put on that here go come out. These people only understand how to, they have the authority to be with in the position of weapon. And now, those ones say for a whole center, Abuja for that matter, then they feel operate like that. Now when they come ask it, come at those states, now they not go feel operate, and it can't be say, no worry, I will come vote. Not be I did. So far this band the one at the band. I be not so some of them I know they read the news. You go see how many then ban Air France, ban the different flights now to come at those states. I be to come Nigeria. You know the check out. So there are many things. So if you can't go Abuja now, you go see all these boys. Then they deal with police. Then they fight police safe. Police don't tire. Not to talk of those type what we get for those states. Now, if peradventure can't be say, now these people, now I can't the authority, these people where they use them so, till they go do campaign so. Now they can't go enter government house. Wetin go be the fate of our brothers and sisters, our parents? How it go come be? How Edo State go come be? Now they don't even give them. Now they even give them more guns. They their position plus the one way they bring come from that side before. Now they put them for the power now for the government. How wetin could come be the fate of that your brother, that your young sister? What will be their fate? Did you see the problems where they grant, where una no want to look? Because I know the light where they look only one side. You're supposed to check them from different angle, from the four corner. You check them. They check wetin go happen tomorrow, wetin go happen next year. You check everything down. Because una they always just they look only now. Make it just win. No worry. Now not you they find trouble. Scatter the state. Now you find trouble. I tell you before, say once. If you want me, some things when I still reserve. Now, if you want me to start now, the fire itself go even hot past this one. Because of saying at night. So if you can't check on once all these people now, they now get avenue to government house. So they be now can't they? Which math they will can't tell all these people, Fulani herdsmen, made them not run their animals in people's farm. Go the northern side now today. I be you not hear your president for this thing. Then go borrow food for AU. Now food Nigeria go they borrow. Is that not a disgrace? Is that not a shame upon shame? Will they go borrow food for in Nigeria? They go borrow food. Not be the money where they borrow with the talk. Is that not me? I there everywhere. I they see everything. I they read and they see them. I they see them. If you want me to start, you know say I carry things, which is very wrong, totally wrong. How? Waiting make them go they borrow food. The same APC now then go say they give money out to farmer to take produced. Now then go still carry money give those their animals. Make them carry their cow, their cattle and gun and cutlass. Go they kill the same farmer. Go inside their farm, go they chase all of them. Why hungry not go dey? Edo State now where be say governor the plan. You hear chief is there. I mean, say governor no the farm where you say carry the and farm they there. I don't tire for all this kind of lie. Farm they there they come. You know expect say make you just they create farm today go just grow. That kind of food if we chop them, it go become cancer for our body if it grow immediately. Urgent if you just grow like that. Now problem go become. So all these things now jeje. Inside this process, now there coronavirus today. Different wahala day. Now there the one we pass coronavirus will be Oshomole. Become the problematic to the system, to the governor. Then they do and then they disturb. If you know the kind of stress where this man take, still they do what they do, you go no say na man. So the best way, let's leave this man now. Make as he can't go that side now. Make we see him, make it work. Say we'll get distraction. Since the foundation they don't delay am, he don't lay foundation now. Now just to start to they put block upon block, concrete upon concrete, so that make the thing can become penta or then go penta. If you carry Chief Izeyamu come now, he go fair come start to the check if money dey. You know hear what he talk to them. Then they ask you say your 100 days, which you go take and take do. The first thing they go check, say go fair go check whether money dey. So you no even get plan to take create something where be say go generate money. If they ever ask me that kind of question, my first 100 days, I go fit give you answer. I will check on how to create waiting go begin generate revenue. so that make money dey come, so that we no go depend on maybe government or wetin federal wan bring. Because Edo State get money. If dem carry Chief Izeyamu put today, this man wey be say only him wan just dey collect our oil, na dem dey him back. The other one wey dem be say dem dey collect our wetin dem call borrow pit, dem dey him back. And these are some of the things that are supposed to start to generate money from. Now dem go still dey correct our forest guard than these same people wey still dey him back. So these are the area money supposed to generate. If these people now, the same people wey bring in there, now then go back, go occupy all those things, wetin wan come take generate money? I think you go start begin probe Governor Obaseki. Begin wait. They begin draw money. He no see money for account. So wetin una come say make him take work? They say person wey already get experience, person already know wetin he want do. Oyibo man go give you job. He go want make you take your money take start am. As you don start the job, na there dem go come see say wait, the way you take start say yes, he get head. Na there dem go get mind to add more money to you. Say they see and say you dey deliver. This one now, they wait for him one fair go read that book wey dem cook since 1970, wey dem take dey deceive us, they destroy those states to become wetin e come become. Wey e come be say 13 years all of them dey fly go abroad because of them. Nobody go see wetin they do our guests for desert, for abroad, for everywhere. Go see all of them. Go see how they turn children wey be say e get brain, graduates, all of them. Go see wetin they turn them to for abroad, for desert. All because of them. Now the same book, now those who are read, now they use to frustrate all our people, where all everybody begin run. They gather all the blame now that they put on top of Governor Obaseki. If you want to repair something, you don't expect me waiting don't spoil, it don't rot, I go just 1 second, I go just patch them. It's not possible. For this thing to be patched, I have to become an enemy to the people that who are destroying that thing, who are giving that place problem. And for me now to survive, to succeed, and to do anything good about the state, I have to become an enemy to all these people. Now, if you can go check Chief Alhaji Native Dr. Izeyamu now, these people where they destroy the strait now be the people where be friend. Now them be 5 and 6. So, my brothers and sisters, which place, if eventually it can't enter now, where you want to generate money, we want to, make the state to become a place we can call home. How you want to come to help our mama, our papa, our brothers where they are abroad, where be say, if not be people where they are abroad, those states, even the same people where they even collect money, now they for not the same money collect. Those states, if you don't they die, they go. Make we take our memory back. Those state is almost going. People where be say be one can invest, they were started running. Everybody, those one who even come there, they run. They don't park. Some don't even park, go another Africa country. Go see Nigeria. Now only Nigeria, you go establish, you want to come establish business. The tax where they go make you pay. APC where we they still they talk. See fuel. Then they go increase fuel. Put tariff for everything. Go reach food. Go reach everything. Cement, everything today, everything day up. Everything, food, rice, everything day up. How can a normal human being go still with we get sense, where blood they flow through in vein, go still carry in hand, still say it make these people continue? What did they get to do? Buhari na simple agenda now they read till they govern the state be like this. Now we'll still can allow those states where we still can't get, still allow the same people now, make them still carry simple agenda, can't take governor those states. Before you go, Papa will come out for house. Now you go use spoon to make sure Gary for your children, for your family before you go come out. Now so it go be, because These people, they are not coming because they want to come and give back to the society. They are coming with hunger to come and fight those who have offended them. That is their purpose. So now such people, now you come one, make me come declare for today, make they come governor in those states, make they come take the funds too. Our papa sit down, he looked the whole issue, that is Obara Tokpe. He looked the whole issue. He called the first son, my pikin. He called Oshomole. Osho, you remember what you tell me about this man? You remember. He remind him, throw him back. He throw his mind back so that make him remember. The only offense when I see for a body now say, I don't see una two make a the same time make a resolve on an issue. The offense, I don't hear say offense now say he not the governor, he not the give back to the society. Sometimes I go still see people go say, Obaseki is not working. My people now, wow, which kind of wickedness be this? I hate to insult people. Sometimes me not come make me come go the act like other people or some people. Because if now only pensioner and our teachers, a state where you not respect teacher, a country or a community where you not respect teacher, you don't kill that place. That society is dead. A place where you know the pensioners, they are not benefiting from their labor. What their time they give to their youthfulness they give to the society. Their old age, they can't become suffer. They will become a problem, a cost to that society. If not only this man do, some certain things we need to just say, yes, this man try. We don't think if you give this man, since he has already solved this problem, now be say go do another one next time. Not be the ones where they come all this while. Una they see where then they do reach. Then they come do everything half, create problem to the society. Then give small for here, go back to the other side, go they collect million. Create chaos, problem to the society. It's none of their business. Because if you go check all of them, the next step that they take, then they go foreign land, go buy house. Because they don't say once they there, now from there they will go hospital, go everything. He not concerned there for here. The question where the chief is Yamude asked today, sometimes me and just they laugh. He say when he there with Lucky Gnedion, he not too much get things to talk. Today, if we see the way Shaibu they do, and if you go check what he don't do for a place and things when I don't see around. Now your position, even where you don't take for those states, it pass. So you don't fit do nothing. Hey, I salute you, Kelly. Not be smarty, don't you? I salute you. So he not fit do use am. Now, una come dey expect and say after it don't come now, he go come use am. When it be say we understand say once he come now, na fight, he want come take and take the fight. Sometimes we are supposed to check person. Bros, thank you, Princess. Well, I see your name and you can't go add the other word journal. Maybe you not start time for starting. I go refer you back to go back to the starting so that make we know the insult not get wetin they give person. If you insult me now and you can't go the benefit for the state later, I think the cost will go back to you. A word, they say responsible person, no matter how it be anywhere it dey, you must know say this person responsible. You can just join into the program since now where you meet, because people like una na where una for meet fight, na there una from the fight. Now when they try to know wetin happen, na make una they always get bruises. Sometimes una not hear them say wood say na he not the verse for who they tear in the verse for person where they looking. So thank you for your understanding. So me, I be different person for media. So maybe I believe you don't watch me for long. If you don't know where for watch me, I feel direct you. So I be different person entirely. So what I'm saying here now, politicians, we just want our society, our system to function. I know thereafter make this person, make the other person. Governor Obaseki, I can't compare am. Me, I not be Obiore now. I can't compare wetin I don't see. You know, I see big differences from all the people who don't come into power. If we dey compare, sometimes we dey talk about our papa we don't come on Bruce Ali. Good morning, Yamu, salute you. If I go dey compare our papa Gbemundia and all other people we don't come out, so I don't feel maybe the name jump away from me now. If I say make I compare, if you check those days, things dey cheap. Abroad during my time, you get when you go hold 5,000 visa, you go collect visa. You go hold 7,000, you go there abroad. Not be say through river or through anything, flight. That even those kobo, then those people, that is when everything is, the system is functioning. That is, then you go hear person, then somebody go use, where you supposed to, these days where they go use 5 bags, then you feel use 20 bags to do something. It go still be like say you don't spend nothing. So if you can check Obaseki time now, everything is always up. Not be Obaseki make dollar or euro come high. If you go check everything today is always on the high side. How much was made today? Go check and everything is on the high side. How much for this 12 mm or 15 or 14 mm or 16? All of them, they on the high side. So if those people then, if you can't say make we compare what they do and compare what this man don't do, this man don't they win. He don't they win. He's leading. This man is already the first, the best. If you don't understand why I say it's the best, you go one day just call me or tell me, say make a treat program where I will start to analyze them. Because it gets some people like us, if we just do something, we don't come on from there. We know the lie, say make person come, they praise us. We may not like make person come. You see, if when I did PFM, I always talk and say, I tell the man, say, I hate, don't praise me. Nobody, I'm not in the media because of praises. I'm in the media to give what I can, so that I'll still take back from people too. If you come in here now, you get the way you take right. This way you go right. I go just read and I go quickly still pick and add to the topic. Then I don't still learn. These people that who has come in there, they fail us woefully. They fail the society, face the system woefully. I think be these people, they act well. Show me one primary school where you go for Edo State, for Nigeria. Edo State, may I say Edo State now. You go reach inside the school, you come meet feed, or one place where they cover, where they for they play basketball, or one place where they cover, say this place now they for they run, they just do and well. Show me one. Let us not talk about the class now. We could not talk. Red roof. Show me one feed. You just say this person governor finish. If you reach the school premises, you say now abroad, they show me one. We all know how school be for abroad. You go meet everything there. That is what motivates pupils, the children, boys, youth to always go to school compound, because everything is okay there. Inside there, you go meet basketball field. You go meet even where they even lift weight. You go meet everything. When I say everything, where they play ball, everything, you go meet them. All of them there. Show me one. If these people mean well, why they not create anything? There is no place where your feet just drive. You say this place now feed. Make I go relax there. It not there. They not build and put in all day. There is no road where you just dey pass. Now, not be recent, they can't even they think and say, person will not get leg. Person will not where they use maybe wheelchair. So this may still create space for them. Not be recent, they can't think about them. So you can see they fail woefully. There's a lot to talk about. So if you can't look on this whole thing, my people, when the king is talking, I just check the whole world. Like people like us will grow from that home where they call, where you see Papa go born 30-something children, 40-something children. All of us, for my own zone, if we they come your street, you go wrong. My name they there. People will know me go know. So those State was just like that. Life, that is how life was. But now, if waiting this man put for ground now, I don't feel compare him to waiting others. People don't do. You know, say this man has already tried and is ready to give more. If we make mistake, carry them Lion and Tiger and their leader come put as a governor. Today meeting that BBC Pidgin this way forum with there for debate today. It don't already expose everything. That's why I can't call her now Lion and Tiger leader. No need to call her a representative again. Why I call him, I will tell you. His actions don't already show. See, this is who it is. So you know if you change. Carry nyash today now, you want to carry your nyash, go front. Now back it day, don't they back it, don't they back. No matter what you can do to change that. When somebody is waiting for a book to read first before he could know what to say, we are in trouble. President Buhari, every time he read book, anytime they ask him question, he is looking for a book, paper to read. You see, he always go wrong. Every questions they ask him, it's a disgrace, it's a shame. Say sometimes for somebody to say I'm from Nigeria, because if you look the kind of person how they talk about Nigeria for Western world, in any position we are the best. If you can't look the kind of person we can't present as leader, then say sometimes you get person where you go show say this one are my person. I don't know, may I just use something like that. This one a person that they respect. People will go see you, come say, see the kind of person they respect. You don't already downgrade yourself. If they behold you on high esteem, they'll just look you to become nobody. That is why wherever you present your visa, your passport, it look like shit. Not because of because of the color of the passport now green. Now because of this kind of simple agenda we Buhari they carry all the days of his life, now all the days of his tenure. Now when Chief Alhaji Zeh Yamu wants to they bring before you and me today. Now they wait to carry first look first. You see, and they ask him a question today. He say everything don't already write down. Waiting one do it don't already write down. You never see where you go market. The things where you write, where you want to go buy for market. Now you go by yourself, carry barrel, you go delete them. You go erase them. Happy? You know this, you know they happen. So if somebody is telling you that all these things, go check all the constitution for Nigeria. Every way then they write. The penalty of the poor people, those that embezzle, those that are stealing our treasuries, those that are really offending the laws, their penalty now naira and kobo, na kobo. But those that steal tomatoes or gari or nyam in the market or in the farm, their own is always death or life in prison. Whenever we will ask ourselves questions. Now this kind of people, we want to still clap hand. Let them can continue. If Alhaji Zeh Yamu come, he don't already tell us he's going to use his 100 days in office till they check if money dey account. And if he not come dey, he say wahala go dey. He go start fight. Then if he can't start fight, o ame ga kun lure o hawame o gbe wo ni ne bio. Na Benin I speak. If water it just pour, it dirty all the dirty with the but all of them can come up from the head. You will go fetch water, you cannot fetch it. If people not can drink water, I think death don't come. So the state will turn upside down. And all these, their lion and tiger, all of them will go back to their business. And because they must chop, their lifestyle, they must live on to the fullest. So once they go back to their business, except say you never carry store, you never sell for market, you never drive bus, you never start, you never go school, you know they work out for street. Maybe your family, they pump money come for you. The next day they carry you from village and put you for abroad. So you know go feel understand what I'm talking about. But if you go past through all these things I'm saying now, you go really understand where they talk, they go. So the problem go too much. So that's why we just, as Oshomole, you see Baba for palace, he just ask Oshomole a question. All the things you tell me about this man, I go reserve some. The one where you talk about the other man will be Chief Alajize Yamo. I know go talk that one, I go reserve those one for you. Because of God's sake. He just suffer iron in case he put down for one side. Una say he just settle a problem. Inside what he can't pay me pass. For a present of all the ancestors, all our king, papa, mama, we don't come for that palace. Oshomole begin lie. He say all his 8 years, all his tenure, now 1 man 1 vote. Now so he know the ring election. I can't ask myself. Me travel with I know dey Nigeria again, or I don't know what happened. I not get sense that time. I not see what happen. I don't know how this man they win election. Say now it was always bloody. These boys where they present today now, where they hold on high, still they look on her like Baba now, where they present say show, where they call on show. Is it not because of all the dirty things we then do that make them today know? My people, if waiting we wait there outside the country they do now, God go bless all of you now, because crowd full back of our governor yesterday. Now he doing. God will bless you all. That's why I tell social media president, if you don't ever come out again to castigate or to talk about government, not can thank you. That is in short. I don't want to use any bad word for you. You just have to quit. Quit, except you have other motive before, or you get plan to quickly go make, because it's for people who not mean well for the state. They see election time, it's time to make money. It's an avenue to enrich yourself, to quickly take. And now they say now don't collect finish. Tomorrow now come they complain, say road not there, light not there, governor not do well, and you collect money finish. You put people for problem. The people are dying because of that money you take for you to bring the wrong person into the power. Some of you will come out today, you say, I never kill somebody. I never kill anybody. Nobody don't die for my hand. Nobody, I don't get blood from my hand. My brother, my sister, if you collect money for the government, you support bad government, you are already a killer. You are already stained with blood. So you as a social media president, you better calm down. If you maejo, umaegbo, umaegwa, amaiwa via bema. Can you just give birth to a child today, go just start to the work, you go start to the aim money salary they bring back to you immediately? Except you have other motive. If you don't understand what I mean, except you get another plan, say na avenue to make money, or they call you say, this your people they follow now opportunity for you to be enrich yourself. So see number where APC people till they call me yesterday, so till they go put me for inside WhatsApp. I ask the person, I call and say, why they call me? They say that they do meeting of APC. Now I tell her, I say, I don't know why I even call you self. They say, sorry. Now I say, sorry. Why will you be calling somebody to come out? If to say you trust yourself, you know what you are doing. Why will you? They say mechanic way know in work. If he dey inside hole, customers go come look for him. If you know your job, or you are selling the right food, you are not selling all this organic or all those food wey be say they cause cancer. They know say your food genuine, your salon dey okay, you dey sew cloth well. Customers go come look for you. I remember one tailor inside GROA. We go come on from town, the other side, we will go inside GROA. We will go look for that tailor. Because we know say they good. So if APC, EPN, whether na APN, if una they can't go, they do all these things, just they settle people to buy people conscience. Now episode not made well for the people. Now episode not even get plans for the people. Your plans is just to go to enter inside Azar, to enter government house, because una know say you people can make money any which way. You go get store. About 10 people will come meet you for inside one store, inside one tailor or hairdressing salon or one mini thing store. 10 people will come meet you. These 10 people will want to come meet you. They are coming as a revenue collector with different names. Some for soundboard, some for distance of your soundboard, some for the painting, some from the this, some from the. And you go ask all these people, where now for they come? All of them go bring paper out like this. You go see government letterheading for all of the hand. And the people holding this paper, you go see them, they're not even supposed to. Such people are not supposed to do their position. And you cannot see any police station to report them to. You cannot see any offices to take them to. If you even report them, you will see the same governor for inside government office, they will call you, say, it's our boys. This one are the kind, this thing we want to go back to. I just talk only this one. Not be waiting that they do people for we were supposed to develop the state. Not waiting that they do our parents for market. Not waiting that they do our brothers, sisters for street. Somebody are making billions on the street. If you go look the road where they not fit tire. If you go look the road waiting for they go collect that million every day by day, it not fit think about how to put one solar power, nor to tie the road. Not to even tie the road. Then they say, ring road, erosion, back or from back. If una no be anywhere where you don't ever get when erosion, not the full that back of fire brigade, this where they for the do marriage, this all those already you get when water not take the food there, they not fit take care of them. If rain for everybody go full trouser, go hide, make erosion not carry you. They did not care, and they were making money on that place every daily basis. So these people now, anything make us sleep, try to pretend, give them opportunity. Once they go back, I think you already see the hunger in them. You hear them when they talk in the public. You go be like saying a person. You go be like saying person one shit. The shit go they smell. They are all hungry unnecessarily. You are hungry because of say person want to feast the state. It take food come off from your hand. What did you mean by that? The Shomole is more better. He empower us. What did you mean by that? He empower una and begin to create debt problem to the society. Turn the state to become no-go area. Yeah, Prince Oza. Yeah, I was once the toughest man in PFM. That is who you are seeing. You know, say we not they talk too much. If I come out there, I will just still preach. This is how I used to preach there. When I say toughest man, everybody know me in PFM. Those who come there, all the Curtis, all of them, they know me. I be one the toughest man. I know they see truth. Me, I go they talk lie. Now me go be the person who go tell you the way it be. Anybody they tell and the way it be. So if you ask about me, I'm the one that who can just when you are misbehaving, I kick you out. Now me, I like truth. If you are standing on the right way, I'm with you 247. As I see say it just bend. If they bend, they go. I walk away because me, I know they like anything where it bend. Anything that can make Edo State become a place we can call home. Because we there abroad. If I show you my apartment now, you go tell me, say, what thing I want to go do for Nigeria. If I still, when I they come from Nigeria, now some people they ask me, say, what thing I they can't do for abroad. So the question can't be like this. But me, myself, know, say, Nigeria, 100% it better pass abroad. If we get the right people to do the right thing. 100%. If they see 1000%, it better pass abroad. Because all the people who don't come, they always come there to eat and release their lion and tiger to the street to the cause damages. The damages now affect all of us today. We then create, we then cost. Me, I have always been a leader. Blessing boys mostly, and girls. I don't pack many knowledge to people. People know me here, they know me. How you know say that they slap person for fool. How you say now I don't get sense. Go listen to my messages for there. We don't even I get sense. I be one man, I get my own way. If I deal with you, I will deal with you with all my mind. I can go any length for you. Any length. So, but once you deviate from waiting, make me deal with you. My preaching, if you go and look at my preaching there, you see and say, he go they preach, go the other side. Once me come, I go preach, go straight. That thing, when he tell me in the beginning, now there be my target. I know they bend. So that's why I still be. When I see the government, I compare everything he has done. Even my hitting then to Governor Obaseki, he can't do things right. So as they do it right, and I still talk and say, once they do right, there is no way I know will still support them because I want to do the good. If it good, we all go stay now, we'll enjoy now, my people. We all go enjoy. We will go back home. Now, very bad thing. We just give birth for abroad. One way they pay me when I can't check. We give birth, get children for abroad today. The children, the way that they grow, we all know say now the wrong way. One, wrong way. Because the first thing, mostly those ones will be say where they speak their language. They must take that thing away from them. Your language, if you like, they carry cutlass, carry pipe, they force your language for their body. They know they feel grab them. But that language of that country they speak fluently. Tomorrow, they start to grow, to marry. They are not going to, out of 100, maybe now only one go marry Nigeria person. The rest, if they even marry Nigeria, maybe that Nigeria too don't be another country. Now another tribe, all of them want marry. Now they are now going. Edo State is losing it. You and me, we are losing it. Problem, we don't dey create am. Because people like us, we know they look today. Now tomorrow we dey look. We are just creating it now. They build down. They say problem where we can't see. Edo State today that they complain erosion here, armed robber, kidnappers, this here, blah blah blah. Now so it is start. It start with a gradual process. Today, Pastor K has always been right. You people, we are just looking for fault. if you take me back to their faith, I go can't let you see. I go remind you. You yourself go tire. So it's just that you were not looking at it then. If you want me to go back there, I go refer you back there. So as we just they play the game now, straightforward, just leave on like that. Thank you very much. So we are losing it. We are losing it. Since we are losing it, so make we fist and back. As we see man will be saying yes, he don't they try to get it right. Make we put hand. Anything make us go carry Chief Alhaji come now. Let's say Chief Alhaji good. Then say if you check this one hand, is this straight. All this hand, once they come out, this hand become useless. So the people where they carry and they come, let's say these 4, now they bring and they come now. So these 4 now, waiting go do to these 4. And these 4, they are already corrupt. Stained with blood, stained with all sort of nasty things. So how are you going to survive it? The society will be in pain because he not go even fit talk. He has no right not to please these people. He has enough fit. There's no way go do it. How can a man go meet president as that president? Buhari don't kill Nigeria rich, so you say you're ready to do anything for them. That's what they try to apply to everything. What they try to tell you and me that if you like, say you want to bring Fulani men come Edo State tomorrow, you want to bring criminal, you want to bring everything come, he's ready to allow them come. This is you. The northern side today, they are poor. Most of them, they are no more farming, and a farm I will be no them put because of Fulani herdsmen. Edo State, that be the reserve now. Well, if these kind of people come into power now, so now free transport to Edo State. We are in a big trouble. So the best thing, Chief Alhaji Yamu and his co-owners, they should understand. We are not fighting them or neither we have anything against them. No. I'm a good heart. This is my own platform. So if you want to, I don't have nobody inside this platform. I just me, myself. Because except you have good heart too. If you have good heart, we can make it to become a place. Mega place. Because my ways is I not believe in anything in this world. I be persuaded say if now one I get and I know say that one is okay, go feed put food for the people around me table. Go feed help them to school. Go feed bless my neighbors. I'm okay with it. I not be that one will be say you will get, you still want more. Say check Tony Kabaka. He don't get. Instead of want to allow the boys to chop, he no one relax. How can you have that kind of opportunity of wealth? You go stay one corner as header state man, just dey enjoy your life. You get as you take enter armed robber self. If you see say you don't make 5 million or 10 million when you fit start business, you go pack your baggages, you go quit. You go enter your house, go establish Come they bless other people. Not be for you to continue. You carry money now, you go the waste unnecessarily. You are building things that does not have value for nothing, maybe 10 years. Is that not nonsense? Now all these kind of people, now we want to bring into power. Now all these kind of people, now we want to come manage our affairs of Edo State. Now all this kind of thing, now we want to come put hand for back. They support, make it come power. I see them, they will say, I see them, they write, Abatobaze not good. Abatobaze will destroy Obaseki election. Election, yeah. It go destroy. I can't laugh. Best way be no want to go church. If you reach church, in complaint go be, this pastor not just this pastor no the trouser way wear not just fit am. This see this pastor, see how it dress. He will always be complaining about everything around. Now pastor, now you can't serve. If na pastor, no gonna let me know. Now pastor, now you can't serve. This word, so twist am, you can understand the question when I ask you. You will they find error. We are talking about the way forward of our state. Now they find error, they find excuses. So my people, may God bless you all. Our king, as I don't fair analyze, and because of the people that who were not here before. I grew up from a place called Oterodo, where almost 40-something people from one man will be marching to any direction. In the process, a lot of knowledge is up there, is in me. So, when the king were settling issues, the better children will get something for us there. Better children will get sense. The children will be say get sense, will get human feelings. Children will be say e good for inside the children will born. You know the ones will be tips. You know the one will be aroba. You know the one will be say not the hear word. You know a rascal one. You know the one will not they useful. Will not go feed. Wait tomorrow go feed the son. He called the one way he head correct for inside. We be say go feel control. We be say go feel control any situation. He can't they advise him. Can't they push words into round? They push words into round. Is that not enough to you and me to see and say Obaseki has been chosen? Why will anybody go there to be writing? They say Shaibu and I be master of talk. If a king will know your name to call, you are blessed. You are blessed. Not just your name, call you my son. You are blessed. So, it's time for everybody to start celebrating. The victory is for the good people. God don't win again. Because Barnabas, their mission is to come, to destroy, to steal, to tumble everything that God created that is good, turn out to become blood everywhere, black, white to become black. That is their mission. And if you see their words, you with Obaseki now, because I am just seeing you for the first time. Then you try to go back to this platform, Good Heart. So you will do the fund yourself. Maybe by then you will understand, Prince. You will understand. So please, I dare anywhere. If na AAC, na ain't just good now. It good when I say good finish. I go there with them. if na anywhere anybody wey just good wey be say go fit turn Edo State to become home, no be the one wey dey turn am to become where you be say because of say na me thief ballot board pass, because of say na me dey beat people pass, because of say na me get dry voice wey I take dey break everybody house, break market women head, break tuke driver head, then you are free to go and be Minister of Transport. Then the other one go and be the chairman of this, giving people that who don't even know what to do in any offices, giving them the authority to go and be the leader. What will you expect from such a person, from such a society? Any Edo man will support these kind of people. I don't want to pray, since I pray, Oshowole na small warning, he gets small warning. On the money say that every 4 years now they do all waiting they do so. But now small warning. God has a way of doing things. This one will all of us put hand together now. Make you be careful. The case has already been solved in the palace. Go stay your whole lane. Let Obaseki, Chief Alajize Yamu, you don't already understand. As you just know, say na your senior brother. So go your whole lane. Today they ask you one question. About all the questions when they ask you, no one way you answer. Right. All of them were just nothing. Thank God. You see him. You see and say the governor has already told you that, look, no worry. Since you not get 12 on a week, they even go interview, I'll be with them, join now. The answer will not give, it not make sense. COVID-19, what you now do, not free answer. The other question, the small time, the man saying they come, in one excuse you now, you don't, you wait for you one problem. May God help you. Please, deviate from the house of God and enter Juju house so that people will understand. Because the wrath of God, the way go to strike you, you go regret. Because you can play with Juju, not God. People, they take God's authority for granted. Say because they react, you just see immediately. Juju, if you go buy gold for him, you go calm down. But God, you are toying, they play game. It's worse than anything. You're supposed to ask yourself, where to stand this heaven where they see where they up, where not they come down. Then they hear say they build a 4-6-story building scatter. This one don't do for all life, all eternity. So you're supposed to be afraid of it. So my people, now God will bless all of you now. Do that thing we they do. Because those states they exist today, now way they outside the country. Be in Africa country, be anywhere on a day. Because in one way or the other, now they support una family for Nigeria, for Edo State. Now make Edo State become what it be today. Now make them, even the so-called lion and tiger, they see money, go they collect from who want build house. Where they come ask you money for where you take sheet, money where you take penthouse, money where you take lay fence, money where you take dig foundation, money where you take bring wood come, money where you take bring people come, different money, rubber money, different. They come in different with different kind of tasks. One will collect, finish, go tell the other one, I don't collect, carry cutlass, carry gun, go threaten them, seize their things, then go just they come. So you can see now still now they bless them, where still they make them get money. You see house where they themselves go build. Chairman, you go build house. If you go look house where you build, you know go put gutter for your own front. You know go put you know go think of how to tie a road with all the money where they in position. You know go think of how to just maintain one market. You know go think of nothing, no plan. Then government go come give them two healers. Police go dey guide criminal, person wey dey destroy your society, person wey dey destroy people, wey dey destroy your state, people wey dey block all drainage, wey dey block all moat where erosion suppose to dey pass. You give them police. Na so we want to go back to such. Na so we want to go back to the same place again. Abeg, make una this video area wey una know say una fit cut. That's why they use pidgin English till they knack am, so that me and papa and mama here cut am, give am to your people, so that make them listen to am, understand. Not be say we hate all these people, because we know say if we give them another 50 years, 100 years, in short, Edo State go become no-go area. 1 year old, it will become Curtis. 3 years old guess, 9 years old a guess, then go they carry belle, they bump it away for streets. During their tenure, before you go see some moat, they throw away baby put. The entire pikin put for cellophane throw away. The entire pikin, they throw away pikin for center of Ring Road. Then throw away children, because not children. All those after they don't collect money from our mother market, collect money from a driver, they go look for all those people with the fee use Ijeki, go here Ijeki, now be my market. Now me they control this store. You go see all of them now, because they belong to them. So then they work and put for post. So then you just see one person go be they control a full market. Go they share shade. They give our mothers. They share them the way you want them. These are supposed to be a thing that would have been generating money to the government. The market, you go there, go be like shit. Where they want for sell food for people, where people go chop, you will see dirty everywhere. Today, you will still see they go come out and they say, waiting Governor Obaseki don't do. Go see market. Chief Alhaji say, Yamu go still come out. Come they talk. They see error for government of Obaseki. It's a disgrace to you, Chief Alhaji Yamu. Your tenor, if you want me, I begin quote them. You yourself, all your people that go run leave you. You see the way I tell the talk, because me, I know how to analyze person. Tell you so that people go understand, they go run leave you. Your tenor is a disaster to Edo State. Now, cause the whole problem where Edo State get today. Bad guys where they come to see now, you and Lucky Gbinedion now create them. Lucky Gbinedion go NNPC. NNPC just buy some machines. Government buy some machines, buy some things, do road. Ian is there, Yamu, they just NNPC. They just go to the director, the manager office. The star, man. When star now Gbinedion, the star, man. What is star no wa coolly, man. Just drink the star, finish. He enter us all the well of they come together. Now so they just still revise. Those things where those ones say them buy, they not go take eyes here. Whether say them buy them, but they take Edo State money, they do rubbish. Go see how much they say they take do one. You know they see and say today you see any APC people will come out, they praise Oshomole. Say Oshomole do this, he do that. Go check money with Oshomole till they tie road. Go check money where they build poultry, where they call airport. If that money to say it's supposed to be saying an international flight supposed to be land at those states. With the kind of money where they build that poultry put for them. Is this all not disgrace? How will anybody be saying Oshomole did well for nonsense? Now people like them, Aloegbegu supposed to be praise them because they never see, they don't know the difference between something called development, something that is developed and things that are not underdeveloped. So my people, I take God beg you now. We cannot do everything possible to call your family Let them understand. You people are not doing all these things. You people already, you will get some few thousands to come to establish for the state so that life will go on. For abroad, a white man with the carry farm, now he get money pass. Who they sweep road, he they drive new car. See Esther Dokpa today now, abi yesterday or day before yesterday. Because say they drive new motor wey still new at all, maybe not Tokumbo. But because say leather, I still get nylon because fear not let them remove the nylon. I don't know why they do like holding these people. He still leave the nylon for the seat. Because say all those things still new. Policeman, they vex. So you know see how they turn the state to say, so you must look old before you fit drive new motor for Edo State, for Nigeria. Is that not a cause? Now such a regime I will want go back to, where we have the mineral and the resources to manufacture, to create all those things. So my people, I take God beg una, make una do everything possible. We don't need these people again because their mission is they are hungry. Why would they destroy my house? Why would they drive us away from our revenue collector, tax collector? Why would they call us, cut us off after we don't suffer for them finish? So if we come back again, we will show them. Tell me now, are they going to show Obaseki? Now your mother, your sister, your father, your brother, that your boyfriend, that your girlfriend, that your friend, wait, they so street for Edo State. Now they want go punish. Can't reach you, wasted there abroad. In their tenor, you cannot wear necklace will be good for Nigeria. Except say you go pack iron, put for body. You not fit buy clothes reach Edo State from abroad. You just dress as usual. It's supposed to be say once you go back to Nigeria, it's an avenue for you to see opportunity to still live free life, dressed with all the suffer, the stress you have passed through. But in their regime, you can't dare try it. So are we going back to the same regime when police become nobody? Police are working for them. So te Agbero can't get their own court. When they go to your motor, they go inside or per side. They go to your motor, carry your motor, tuke or whatever Belgian car you carry on at those state. They go to and go inside that area. They go to and go to claim that car is 50,000. When they cut their Kekebo court, when they go down judge the case. So to claim that motor is 50,000. Government is not aware of that, but police is aware. Are we going back to such regime? So my people, I take God beg now. Okay, it's not even new car to Kumbo. You see, not to talk of say you can't go drive new car. When thief they road for Edo State stroke this thing Agbo. Thief they road, police hold better AK-47 with bulletproof. If a white policeman, even other African country, feel wear bulletproof, now then go march, go meet those criminals. See, and then go stand with ordinary person. But then see innocent, even a star, then begin they draw rake. They want chop Esther, Dokpa raw. But then see thief, then they run. May God help us all. I take God beg now. Kenya na I take kidnap Sayomori. Where they come out for inside palace. But I not go fear them. Now they not go fear kidnap. So the best thing, we don't need these people. These people have to go. Have to stay on their own. Now if you go check and like question where person be ask me, now when Obaseki was still carrying them like Omomo, you can see what will happen in Edo State. Ogbazum, don't you see how they destroy people in Ogbazum? Don't you see how they were taking person from Uniben? So that's why I say, not let me go back to history. Because I know the person will not know everything. I know things. Not be say I know all. So I know things. So if I start to talk, you go come surprised. So I take God beg everybody, touch the share, touch the like this page. If you have anything to add, you are welcome. If you want to come and be the leader, me, I'm ready to become, to still do that floor when I did. But I just want truth, facts. I just want things to be okay. Anybody that you are ready to do the right thing, I'm ready to be with you, to work with you. But if you are for the wrong, I don't get interest. Because my way now one way. And if the way pure, I did there. But if you know pure, I become zigzag. So I think I'll beg everybody, let us help which any way we can. Do the calling, do the reaching to your family. Because the way they take park enter streets, nobody go feel resist them anytime, any day. At those states, I even think say when they enter a circle that time, this is not that high people plenty. But waiting I see for Edo State yesterday. Edo people they are ready. Now they do not be Lagos. When I hear some Ijamu, he say, you hear Quitting talk for Pidgin English today, say that's why he wanted Edo to be like Lagos. I can't say this man, you not really see his simple agenda read. How will you come out and tell us Edo can be like Lagos? How? Edo is not Lagos. If you don't know, make it come, make a letter understand. The opportunities wey dey Lagos, e not there do 1 cent. Maybe never stay Lagos. The things that is happening in Lagos, the privilege and everything that is in Lagos is not in Edo State. So when Edo State, when Lagos are generating those things, you not feel compare to Edo State. Undermine say different people did there. I salute you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Seriously. God bless you all. I want to thank you all. So our Baba, our King, don't already talk him. He don't put in children. Why I not come to emphasize on it? I see say some of my brother wait God, we still grow up from like place I for grow. I see they don't still analyze and see him that yesterday evening. So that's why I not come too much talk. So I thank you now. Let me quickly acknowledge just the downside as I come out. So before we go, make we use prayer and down. Father Lord, we don't thank you. We say all the glory. Take premises, take all the adorations, the glory, the victory. Hallelujah, Hosanna to your name. We don't still do about God. We don't get power of our own. That's why we always call upon you. You say anybody will put their trust upon you. They shall mount like a Mount Zion. They could be like tree planted by the riverside. Every arrow where they come from side to side or front or back, you not go come near them. Then go only they hear, they not go come near them. You have given us the victory that yes, if I should let you see the people that who is surrounding you, that who is going to fight for you, to open your eyes to see the multitude, the crowd that is behind you, you will shock. Lord, it's the same time we need you now to give us that same sincere heart-head people that who will go to that polling unit that day. Only thing that will come to their mind, no matter how much they have collected from the APC people, they will always their thought to vote for will always be PDP. I pronounce this because your word say, ask, it shall be given. I have asked this, let it come to pass in Jesus' name. Bless every hand and every ear that do the right thing. Restore back all their lost glory. Those that stay to this time to listen to me, to acknowledge every word that I say, oh Lord, I pray this night that you richly answer their needs. And let that needs be of good conscience. And the need that will favor them. Everything that needs that will not favor them, Father, remove it from their life. You are the master of the universe. Have mercy. Forgive all our sins. Because you said there is no little sin in your sight. Forgive us all our sins so that our prayer will be answered. Thank you for prayer answered. Victory unto Godwin Obaseki and all his followers. I pray, O God of glory, this night. I nullify them with the authority from your above upon their life. Authority of them to emerge that front seat that called victory upon their life. I remove death, I remove sickness, I remove accident in all their journey, on all their dailies out, going out and coming in from their life in Jesus' name. I pray this night, the seed that is taken away from that family of Obaseki and his wife. This night, O Lord, I open my hand to give to them a seed of a child. Thank you, Lord, for prayer answered. They shall hear the cry of a baby in that house from this moment onward, in Jesus' name. Glory be to God. Thank you, Father. May your name be praised. Thank you, Lord. I go far just now. I just surprised. I saw things. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. God sent. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Yamu, God bless you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Dear Francis, God bless you. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Oh, Last King, God bless you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Solomon, Owen, God bless you. God bless you. Wese Kakabo, Lord bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate. Please make una like the page, share it as we talk. God will bless you all. Thanks a lot. I beg Mona help me cut the side where concern social media president too. Give one, make it no. All of them. They then collect and small. Mama Jamie, you always come to cut my video, whether Mama Jamie or I forget the name. Please cut it a little bit, give it to them. Wahia Wesley. Yes, Anthony, I salute you. Thanks a lot. God bless you. Thanks a lot. So I think we don't still do one small. Since it remains few days, we will come make our people see the truth. So that make them quickly know what to do. So that they not make the same mistake where they make, where our papa make. Our papa suffer. Make them still come back again. We not go continue again. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. So good night and stay blessed. Good morning to everyone that is in the morning. God bless you all. Depends on where you are from. So I will call him a day here. Bye-bye. So it feels like I don't want to leave you all, but I have to go. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate. Secret viewer, I salute you all. Mona see they comment, Mona they share them. Not just view me secret, leave me put to share it, because a good message is always good to share. Good knowledge is always good to pass. If you check the knowledge whether they pass from their side, it's too violent. Our children will not learn anything from it. We understand their grievances. We understand all their pains. But they should understand, say, our problem is the system, our society is too horrible. This man is doing well, so they should understand. If they want to go verse later, they fit go verse with them. Say why not come put them for office. They should understand. Since then they enter office, they know they give to that office. They always destroy the office. So because of that reason, when the man see it that way, Chief Alaji say, yeah, move on. If I say me, I begin talk this man, The other man wey dem still invite come pidgin the BBC, pidgin this thing. He say the governor was not a formally, he's not a governor before. He has never been. You una funny, sha. Since una dey inside the government, una no fit do nothing. Person wey not just dey na e come dey do something. We no go join na do am. Una wey dey, una don already corrupt. So this one wey just come, since una say no government, but na im dey do something for the citizens. So we, according to Shomole, he say he sell bad product for us. Make una help me tell am say e do well. This product wey dem dey call Obaseki, e dey cure cancer, e dey cure hunger, e dey cure illiteracy, e dey cure agbororism, e dey cure CDA, e dey cure on a development in a state, e dey cure foolishness in the society, e dey cure treasure run dry, e dey cure many things. I think we are satisfied with it. That is all. Tell him we appreciate it. So we like him like that. We need them again because since he come, all this sickness we dey cure, so maybe they affect us. Since he dey cure them, so we appreciate it. We thank him. Thanks a lot, Liberty. God bless you. Good night.